Tackle tough soil, weeds, and roots with precision using a durable, multi-purpose gardening tool designed for efficiency and control. Best Hori Hori garden knife delivers sharp cutting edges, depth markings, and a sturdy grip for digging, slicing, and planting with ease. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. PERWIN Wood Handle Hori Hori Garden Knife. The PERWIN Wood Handle Hori Hori Garden Knife stands out as a highly versatile and dependable tool for both beginner and experienced gardeners. Designed to handle a wide range of tasks, it performs efficiently whether you are digging, transplanting, cutting roots, or measuring soil depth. The dual-edge blade is particularly practical, combining a razor-sharp straight edge for slicing with a serrated edge that cuts through stubborn roots and compact soil with ease. Its concave blade design enhances digging precision, while the built-in depth markings simplify planting tasks, ensuring consistent results. Constructed from high-grade stainless steel, the blade resists rust and extends into a full tang, giving the knife excellent durability and structural integrity under heavy use. The ergonomic wooden handle, reinforced with 3 rivets, offers a secure and comfortable grip during extended gardening sessions. Additionally, thoughtful extras like the cord-cutting notch and bottle opener increase its functionality beyond gardening, making it suitable for camping and outdoor activities. Overall, this knife delivers a strong balance of durability, comfort, and multi-purpose usability, making it a reliable all-in-one gardening companion.
Number 2. Barebones Garden Hori Hori Garden Knife. The Barebones Garden Hori Hori Garden Knife is a premium quality tool built with durability and user comfort in mind. Featuring a heat-treated 4CR13 stainless steel blade, it offers excellent resistance to wear and corrosion while maintaining sharpness through demanding gardening tasks. The double-edged design provides flexibility, with a straight edge for precise slicing and a serratum edge for cutting tougher materials like roots and stems. Its through-tang construction ensures long-term durability, eliminating concerns about the blade loosening over time. One of the highlights is the smooth walnut handle, which feels solid and comfortable in hand while supporting both left and right-handed users. The handle's ergonomic shape improves grip stability, making repetitive tasks less tiring. The concave blade includes clearly marked inch measurements, allowing for accurate planting depth and efficient weeding. Additional functional features, such as a built-in twine cutter and bottle opener, enhance its practicality beyond gardening tasks. Number 3. TONMA 7.25-inch Hori Hori Garden Knife. The TONMA 7.25-inch Hori Hori Garden Knife is a professional-grade gardening tool engineered for performance and longevity. Crafted from Japanese AUS-8 stainless steel with a hardness rating of HRC 58 ± 1, it delivers outstanding sharpness, wear resistance, and durability. This makes it particularly suitable for heavy-duty gardening tasks where lesser tools might struggle. The blade's concave shape enhances digging efficiency, while its dual-edge configuration, featuring a sharp beveled side and a serrated side, provides precise cutting and effective root removal. Engraved inch markings along the blade provide practical assistance when planting seeds or bulbs at consistent depths. Additional functional features, such as a spear point tip designed for prying and penetrating compact soil, add to its versatility. The knife performs exceptionally well across a wide range of tasks, including weeding, transplanting, dividing plants, and even cutting small branches.
Number 4. NISAKU NJP 650 Hori Hori Garden Knife. The NISAKU NJP 650 Hori Hori Garden Knife is a well-crafted and highly reliable tool known for its simplicity and effectiveness. Made from high-quality Japanese stainless steel, the blade offers excellent durability and resistance to rust, ensuring long-term use even in demanding outdoor conditions. Its dual-edge design includes both a straight edge for clean cuts and a serrated edge for tackling tougher roots and soil, making it suitable for a wide range of gardening and landscaping tasks. One of its most practical features is the inclusion of clear inch markings along the blade, which help gardeners maintain precise planting depths for bulbs and seeds. The sturdy construction allows it to handle digging, weeding, and cutting without bending or losing shape. Additionally, the knife includes a convenient hanging hole, making storage simple and organized in sheds or workshops. Number 5. TONMA Wenge Hori Hori Garden Knife. The TONMA Wenge Hori Hori Garden Knife combines compact design with high-performance materials, making it an excellent choice for precision gardening tasks. Built from Japanese AUS-8 stainless steel with an HRC rating of 58 ±1, the blade offers impressive hardness, sharpness, and resistance to wear. Despite its slightly shorter 5.5-inch blade, it maintains strong functionality, especially for detailed work such as planting, weeding, and transplanting. The concave blade design aids in efficient soil scooping, while the dual-edge configuration provides versatility, allowing users to slice through plants or saw through tougher roots when needed. Engraved depth markings on the blade enhance accuracy during planting, helping achieve consistent results. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle regular use without compromising performance. This knife is not only suitable for gardening, but also works well for outdoor activities like camping and fishing.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.